Split verdict by a federal jury found that Clayton County Sheriff Victor Hill violated a man's civil rights and has ordered the sheriff to pay up. The man was arrested when he called the sheriff's office to complain about Hill firing veteran deputies in 2004. Fox 5's Doug Evans talked with jurors today after their verdict. Doug?
Amanda, we're told that only one other sheriff in Georgia history has ever been successfully sued over civil rights violations. The jurors only sided with Hill on one issue, that was malicious prosecution. The damages will cost Hill, or the county, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Sheriff Hill, can we talk with you? Sheriff Hill. Victor Hill refused to discuss the jury verdict against him and left the federal courthouse with a security detail. For a week, the trial has centered on whether Hill violated the civil rights of Clayton County resident Mark Tuggle. Tuggle, the brother of the sheriff whom Hill had defeated in 2004, called and complained about the firing of veteran deputies. He was arrested and jailed for 24 hours. That arrest and imprisonment, the jury members said, violated Tuggle's First Amendment rights of free speech and Fourth Amendment right against false arrest.
And these are our freedoms. I mean, the sheriff took away our personal freedoms is what he did. That was the gravity of it.
Mr. Tuggle, the jury said that the sheriff violated your First Amendment and Fourth Amendment rights. Do you feel like something was restored to you today?
Absolutely, absolutely. I can speak freely now, where I've been so concerned so many other times that, you know, I live in USA. I can say what's on my mind.
You can't underemphasize how important it is that a group of people said, in this country, in this state, and in this county, an ordinary person can protest government action without fear of reprisal. If you can't do that, you're not really free.
Jurors told us that it was Victor Hill's own testimony, his inability to recall the events, that decided the case for them.
I think he was very dishonest in his testimony.
Hopeful in sending a message that would at least encourage both the county and future elected officials to think before they act next time.
The jury award was $250,000 in compensatory damages. The county could be stuck with that bill, and $220,000 in punitive damages. Hill could be responsible for that tab. The county will also be hit with Tuggle's attorney's fees, and that could top $100,000.
So you made the effort to talk to Victor Hill, and no success, really.
Well, Victor Hill was very much the politician today, which we haven't seen much of, because we haven't seen much of him in the last couple of months. He came up to me in a hallway, said, "I'm going to miss you," stuck out his hand, shook my hand. I said, "How about an interview?" He said, "No, thanks."
Yeah, his term is up in January. All right, thank you.